Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really short. Hi, say hi. Hi. It's going to be about painting with kids. My daughter Maya here is about 21 months, but my oldest is 4 years old. So this activity is easy. It works for either age. And it's something you probably already do with your kids, except it's gonna like a little different twist to it. So usually when we do some painting at home, which we just finished doing, most people use a paintbrush, but I like to change things up sometimes and make it a little bit more fun and interesting. So what I do, I'm gonna show you stuff that's already been used right now because we just finished painting. So some of the things that I sometimes change up instead of using paintbrushes, just to keep it fun and interesting, is, well, one is I stick to natural materials sometimes. So I just use these like pins that you can get at, I don't know, the dollar store or wherever. And I'll put in very natural stuff. Like this is just from a plant that we had. I'll put in some pom-poms. I'll do something like this. Oh, you want to show them that? Show them that one? Is that hay? Hay. Is it called hay? We'll use like different pine cones like this. Obviously you have to get the little ones. Like I said, we'll use natural materials like this. This is just from a plant. We could also use different flowers. We finished using this one earlier. This is just literally just to make it interesting and more just different. A pom-pom. Some regular leaves. I just literally cut off leaves and stuck them on there. Oh, you want that one? There you go. Feathers. Feathers are a great one. Hay. Hay is always fun. This is also from a plant. Like I mentioned in an earlier video that I did my sister's wedding recently. And part of her wedding is I did all the floral decorations and everything. So I took whatever was left over and I used it for, different activities at home. Other things that we have used in the past is cotton balls, Q-tips, yarn, ribbon can be used as a paintbrush, a loofah, believe it or not, cardboard. Cardboard. Oh, something we always use as a paintbrush, I forgot to mention. I'm going to show you guys because we keep these around all the time just because we use them a lot for different things, all kinds of different things. Something we use a lot is, what happened? Is we use wine corks. So I have them in this old peanut butter jar. But wine corks are great because number one, you can use it as a paintbrush. Number two, sometimes my daughter Lyric likes to glue different things to them. So she'll glue like different stones and rocks and just all kinds of, or paint them, all kinds of things to them. The thing about using these types of things as paintbrushes is that you can include your kids in making them. What we usually do, oh, snail, sorry, she's bringing me the snail. What we usually do is we'll go out for a walk and collect all kinds of stuff, and then we'll use those as paintbrushes. And it's a learning experience. If you go out for a walk and you're picking up things in nature to use as paintbrushes, you can talk about what it is that you're picking up, and it's just a learning experience. So that's always a good thing. So that's about it. I know this is a really short video. I just quickly wanted to show you guys this before I forgot, because I've been meaning to do this video for a while, and we just finished doing some painting, and I thought it was a great time for me to do it. So there you have it. I will see you guys on the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Wave your hand. Bye.
Bye.